It's an honor to address all of you. But let me repeat that again. The Pakistani American Law Enforcement Society. It brings me great joy to know there's an organization with this name. And why do I say that? Well, as a child born here in the United States, I never saw any law enforcement officers that looked like me. I never saw any that had a name like mine that reflected our community. It simply did not exist when I was growing up. Look how far we have come. I take great pride in our community when I look across this audience at the many brave men and women who now serve in law enforcement, who put on a uniform each and every day to face danger to protect all of us. And I thank you for your service. Look how far we have come. Even when I think about the other accomplishments, including in politics and even in the judiciary, I look at how far we've come. And I see us now in places that I never saw us in as a child. Look how far we've come. And now we're celebrating our Pakistani heritage like this. A new beginning, not an ending, but a start of something, with the support of friends within and outside of our community. Look how far we've come. And I want to take a moment to thank those who may not be members of our community and yet are here today to celebrate with PALS and us. We welcome you here as friends, and we thank you for your support and your partnership. Now today's the day to step back. It's a day to take a moment to celebrate our heritage and all that we've accomplished. We should absolutely celebrate and appreciate how far our community has come. But, and there's always a but when I have these remarks, do not lose focus. Do not become complacent. Today we have an opportunity to, of course, celebrate our accomplishments and to keep our eye on the future. And I repeatedly said in my remarks, look how far we've come, and I mean that. But I did not say be satisfied with where we are. Never. We must demand more. No one is going to hand us anything. We have to work for it. And every time we score, I promise you, there will be detractors who will continue to move the goalposts farther and farther away from us. But do not be discouraged. This only means that we have to travel a bit more to get to where we want to go. Now, my father is no longer with us, but when he was alive, he always believed his children could accomplish anything. And I've said this before, there are parents who encourage their children to reach their potential. I did not have those parents. My father expected me to reach my potential, but he pushed me to exceed it. And that is what we have to do to get to the next goalpost before it is moved again. Now, one day a Pakistani American is going to serve as the head of the FBI. He's going to serve in the United States Senate, and he's going to serve on the Supreme Court of the United States. He may even serve as Commissioner of the NYPD and beyond. Now, I believe this, and it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. It may not happen in my lifetime, but I promise you it will happen. Now, people have said that I will never sit today as the first Article III federal judge in U.S. history. And if I let those voices convince me that I could not do this, I would not be standing before you this evening. Don't listen to them. Listen to me. Our community is here to support you, to lend our shoulders for you to stand on, to carry you if you need it. If I can be of some service to you, to assist you in reaching your goals, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I am honestly an email or a phone call away. Again, it's an honor for me to be here. Thank you again for inviting me to celebrate with all of you, and I look forward to the rest of this evening's program. Thank you.